Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2012 Kia Sorento EX all-wheel drive, stock number X362A. Only 57,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, titanium silver in color. This Sorento is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seat 7, leather interior. Seats full flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, hitch and wiring. "50-50" split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This EX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 57,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Sorento has a 3.5 liter V6, 276 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Sorento, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.